In this demonstration, we will set the email size limit and file type restrictions of attachments of mails sent in the domain. To configure email attachment settings, go to General and click Domains Overview. Then, select the domain you want to manage. You will be directed to the domain level. Once in the domain level control panel, on the left pane select Incoming, Protection Settings and click Attachment Restrictions. Messages that have an attachment with any of the extensions listed here will be rejected. Set which messages with the following restrictions our email users are not allowed to release. The option to add a new file extension is available. Restriction options are also configurable on this page. Block password-protected archive attachments. When enabled, blocks messages with password-protected attachments like zip files. Block potentially unwanted attachments. When enabled, rejects attachments that are considered dangerous or unwanted like compressed executable files, or documents containing scripts such as PDFs with dynamic content. Block attachments containing hidden executables at domain level. If enabled, zip, tar, gzip, bzip2, and 7z archives, other than those compressed with deflate64, are checked and the message will be rejected if the archive appears to contain an executable. Block attachments with macros. When enabled, any message with a document-based attachment like doc, XLS, that contains any kind of macro will be rejected. In this option, we will select to block messages which contain hidden executables. The message link size limit option restricts the amount of data that is downloaded per message. Links and messages to executable files that would be blocked as attachments are followed and the content is checked against an antivirus database. Set the maximum MIME defects in a message that is accepted by the system. In this example, we will set the maximum MIME defects to 2. Click Save. To configure email size settings, go to Incoming, Protection Settings and click Email Size Restriction. Set the maximum size for incoming and outgoing emails to be accepted by the filtering system. The option to not set a size limit is also available. In this example, we will set the limit size to 50 megabytes. Select an action for messages that goes over the maximum size limit. In this example, we will set to reject the messages. Click Update.